got a lot on my mind, why don't you listen, baby? If you can turn back the time, you would've listened, baby. You would've listened to the words.
Hey y'all, I am back with another video, and today y'all can already tell what's about to happen. So I'm not gonna really do a step-by-step. I'm just gonna show y'all me styling my hair, because y'all already seen me do this many times. Like I said last time, y'all always see me do this, and so this is nothing new. I'm just gonna be using a different glue today because I'm not trying to wear this too long. I'm not even gonna wipe off my forehead with alcohol because I want it to come off easily. So yeah, I have a new install. I don't know how I feel about it. It is bright red and it is 12 inches. Yeah, this is my 13x6 frontal blunt cut bob wigs. These are pre-made, and all I had to do was pluck. I didn't bleach the knots yet because I don't really want to wear it for real yet. If at all, we're gonna see how it turn out, and then I'll like decide. But y'all know I don't wear short hair, so I'm nervous, but I'm about to adjust these straps in the back. I don't even know how to work these. Like, I don't even use elastic bands and stuff in my wigs because I just feel like it makes, like, it thins out my hair and gives me bald spots, especially on closures. So I don't really use them, but I think this is how I go. I don't really know. So this is the finished results. Now y'all know initially I said I was not gonna wear a part, but I really don't have a part because I ain't bleached knots, so it's looking real thick in here. But that's why it's very important to bleach your knots. And this density is, I think, 150, so it's a little bit thicker than normal. So yeah, it's fine though with me. I don't mind. And so yeah, I did end up putting a part in it, and I like it better like this because at first I will show y'all that it was like my head looked huge, and that's because I was trying to wear it like this, and y'all see how big my head looks. But this covers the head up some, so yeah, I'm gonna wear it just like so. Yeah, I like it like this. I put a lot of oil in my hair, so it's like weighing it down on this side really a lot, but as time goes by it will definitely get out of there. But yeah, I love the results. As you can see, the cut is on point, and I was thinking about cutting it a little bit shorter, like maybe here, but I think I'm gonna wait it out and just see first. But yeah, I love the results. It's so pretty to me. I don't know how long I'm gonna wear this. Like I said, it was gonna be a 2 to 3 day hairstyle. It might still be, it's still pretty, but I don't know. Y'all know I like my long hair. I haven't had 12-inch hair in a long time, a very long time. I think the last time I had some 12-inch hair was I don't even know, like 8th grade, but even my real hair is longer than 12 inches, so yeah, this is weird to me, but nonetheless, it is pretty, and this is my finished results. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.
But I was down and out like